What is going on, guys? Paul James here. Welcome back to this very special video. Today, I'm going to show you how to unlock the secrets to e-commerce sourcing, and I'm going to give you everything that you need to do to simplify this strategy. Now, this is for those of you that want to get started selling stuff online. This is perfect for doing TikTok shop, and you may have seen in some of my other videos some really powerful strategies for actually driving traffic. But today, I want to talk about sourcing. And this is why I thought about making this video. So there was an event, a live stream event that happened that I was watching, and it was from Alibaba.com. It was their live stream 2024 event. And I was blown away by some of the new features that Alibaba.com is actually introducing to the marketplace that I think is going to be a game changer for TikTok shop. Also, somewhere in this video, I'm going to give you a surprise, so make sure you watch all the way through because you're not going to want to miss out on what that is. Okay, so one of the features that I am most excited about, that I learned about during this virtual event, is the AI sourcing agent. Now, the AI sourcing agent is going to let you get inspired by different ideas using AI. So for example, we could punch in something like, give me some ideas of earbuds. I'm gonna click high volume, low barrier and click apply. Now, as you can see, we can discover all of the product opportunities with a niche score. We know how much per price it's gonna be, the monthly search volume, and we can go and then click through, check out different retail sales trends, and then source similar products right from within the AI sourcing agent. Now, just like that, we're presented with some different options. We can go and then send inquiries right to the vendor. Then we can source the product with using AI so that everything is done super seamlessly. So they've got product inspiration, which is gonna help people understand the social media and global retail data in detail. And this is gonna make it easier for everyone to make smart choices. They've got a smart search feature, which is basically a highly summarized version of industry knowledge that is gonna pop out on the right side. They've got a match your supplier feature, which is an AI intelligent comparison that allows you to see the bigger picture of everything, and it's gonna generate quick notes and summarize the advantages and disadvantages of different options. And as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I did have a surprise baked into this for you. Now, the best part is that you can also get access to this awesome feature, and all you need to do is leave a comment in the video below, and we're going to be going through and picking some people to give access to this new feature so that you can begin sourcing your winning products. Anyways, guys, Paul James here signing out. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that this helps you out. If you did, please smash that like button and leave a comment, and make sure you're subscribed. I will see you next time. I am Paul James. Peace out.